Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jess. I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so my business launched, my online boutique, yesterday. I feel like it's been a couple days, but it was just yesterday. So many of you know that I did go ahead and say that I was going to be starting another side of my business. So I want you guys to follow along with me. I just got in from Amazon my Cameo Silhouette 4. I have seen so many people use it. I was really in between this or a Cricut machine, but I felt like this just did a lot more. And on Amazon for $330, you get pretty much the whole startup package. You get the machine, all of your vinyls, your tools, the programs, everything. So for the money, this is your bang for your buck. So I'm gonna go ahead and unveil it, and yeah, y'all stay tuned.
I'd like to return these.
Oh, of course. Do you have your receipt?
No, but they're unopened. They haven't been touched.
I really need your receipt.
They are sealed. They are brand new.
Do you have the credit card that you use?
This is ridiculous. I bought these last week.
All right, y'all. So here is the box from Amazon. I'm a little nervous. I feel like there's not a lot in here for what Amazon said it came with, but okay, well, let's open it up and let's see what it is. Y'all ready? I don't remember what color I ordered either, but oops. Probably don't recommend doing this with scissors, but alrighty. So it looks like it comes with the instructions, of course. Oh, look, you can get a congratulations thing. Alright, so we're just gonna throw that to the side. All kinds of little goodies. There's all kinds of classes. Ooh, a membership. I'm excited. So excited. I feel like a little kid. Alrighty. Let's see how to get this bad boy out. I'll rip this box. Alright, so there is the machine. It looks pretty cool. I'm excited. Okay. So here's all of your vinyls, different colors. Nice. Transfer paper, all that fun stuff. Cutting tools. Your sketch pens. Power cords. More tool things. Figure out what these are here in a minute. Some of your cutting stuff, I guess, your tool sets. Alrighty, well, let's get this sucker out. And some more vinyls. A little squeegee thing. I feel like this is bigger than the Cricut. I feel like the Cricut's a little smaller, but I could be wrong. Alright, so here is your printing machine. Let's set it up. Alright guys, so I got my Cameo out of the box. I'm excited. I'm going to set it up. So this is the power strip that I am unraveling. It does come separately into two pieces, so you will have to put this together into one. And I am not the most tech savvy person, but this is very easy, I felt like, to put together. And the actual power is on the side of your Cameo. It is not on the back like a lot of other machines. But I found this very easy to put together, very simple. It took me less than 2 minutes. So once you put that power cord in, you set it up to where you want it to be. I have mine right here on the bottom of my heat press machine table. And yeah, let's plug this sucker in and get to making some cool products. Make sure you do take all the tape off, so everything that is blue is tape, inside, outside, and there was some tape that I found as well on the very back of the machine where the roller is, the roller cutting blade is. So make sure you check all around, inside, outside, bottom, and the back of your machine. as you will find a bunch of blue tape around, but it's very easy to come off. Okay, so I got the machine set up. Came with these little booklets. So now I'm just gonna read them and figure out how to set up all the pins and dig deeper into how this thing works. So stay tuned, don't forget, make sure you're following all my social medias and come back. Thanks.